Okay, Laura introduced how to change the language about the coffee machine. Okay, first step we learn place the machine ID, then input the password. Okay, the initial password is 73194653. Okay, then number plate here and just admin login. Yeah, admin password is 6-bit 0. Yeah, this is the initial password. Login. Then we open this information settings. Yeah, if you can understand Chinese words, never mind. Open this page. You will find there is a service IP. Yeah, QRC. Like this. Okay. Then we need to close this switch. Yeah. If before is opened, okay, we close it. Okay, close. Okay, then back, then log out. Okay. Okay. Newly they have a page is ask you for input the string password. This password is J8716. Okay, then then click here. Yeah, open this page. Open the settings. Okay. We move down. Find out this icon. Yeah, this is the Chinese. This is Chinese words. Never mind. Yeah, we just find this icon. Yeah, click. Then click the first option. Yeah, because there are only Chinese words. Yeah, on the first time. Yeah, now we need aid. Click the aid. Then find English. Okay, English. And then choose the new state. Okay, then we move. If you open the application again automatically, no mind, we just admin login again. Okay, per password. And put it here, admin login. Okay, log out. Then we find this option again. Okay, English new state. There is the icon. Yeah, we lump it here and move up. Okay, then waiting the machine. Yeah, respond. Yeah, we can find ID, help. Yeah, you can also login. Okay, information configuration. Yeah, we need to open this. Okay, back. Okay, thank you.